Don't forget, folks, this is the last week of the Stanley Pro ratchet set giveaway. The entry is up in the description, and you've got till the end of April, because I'll be announcing the winner on the 1st of May. So all you have to do is enter. There's 3 different ways to enter. It's all in that link, and I hope you win it. Hello, Junkaholics. It's the time we've all been waiting for. It's time to start the travel trailer to junk hauler project. So what I'm going to be doing is taking an 18-foot travel trailer and turning it into a flat deck trailer with as many options as I can put on it, just to make my life easier. On the weekend, there was a gentleman that needed some RV parts, and I made him a pick your part kind of deal where he chose what he wanted. He took the parts out. I gave him a price. I accepted the cash. It was kind of a win-win. He got some parts at a decent price. I got some free labor. So, you know, I think it was a pretty good deal. What I'm going to be doing is, up next in this video, I'm going to include the original excerpt of when I got the trailer, and so you can see what it looked like when I first got it, and also how I came about it, what kind of condition it was in. And this will be a multi-part series, so you're definitely going to want to subscribe if you want to catch all the episodes, if you want to be notified and catch all the episodes. It's going to be interesting because I'm going to show you every last piece of what's going on with this thing, exactly what it took, and you know, maybe some different tips and tricks, and hopefully there'll be some comments about what you guys think I should be doing to make my life easier. I'm pretty excited about this. This is the trailer I was telling you about. So, beginning part of December of 2022, my neighbor said to me, you really need to get rid of this trailer because it was just costing him storage, and he didn't want to pay for another year's storage, and the bill was coming up January 1st. So he asked me if I wanted it. I said sure. So all it costed me was the gas to drive out there, pick it up. The lights don't work. It's in really bad shape, but I'm going to be turning this into a flat deck hauler so I can haul junk from free junk, so I can make money and build my cars. So, like I say, this thing is roached, and it really needs a lot of work. Oops, slipped on the ice. Like, look at that jack. Someone obviously took off with the jack down and bent the thing to hell. So that's gonna have to be fixed up. The windows don't close. There's holes. The awning was ripped off. All the lights are broken. Like, this thing is just roached, and it deserves to become a hauler for me to make some cash. The step don't work, so I'm using the beautiful spare tire that came with it. I'm sure my buddy who owns a tire shop will be able to patch that up and I can use it as a spare tire again. So here's inside the beautiful rig. And I know people are gonna say, oh my God, you could make such a great vehicle out of this. You know, no, not even a little bit. Like, this thing is roached. The ceiling is coming apart. I don't even feel safe in this thing. The roof is coming down. Perfect candidate for a hauler. Look at, you can even see outside from the bathroom. You know, plenty of mold. I'm actually doing it a favor by dismantling this thing. I'm also going to be using some of the materials to fund this project with. You know, like sell the stove, sell the fridge, get the furnace. We're gonna check that, make sure it works. And then the aluminum siding, we're gonna sell that. Maybe it's gonna buy us some lumber. You know, it's just a work in progress. All the siding is aluminum, which is going for, I think it's about 65 cents a pound right now. So that should buy us some lumber for the decking and some metal to reinforce the frame. Joke of the day. So my ex-girlfriend's dog died, so I bought her another dog, an identical dog to the one she had. And when I gave it to her, all she did was scream. She says, what am I going to do with 2 dead dogs? So I'm going to run through this, show you what he's taken off. And he decided he wanted the front door. There's a lot of rot there. He wanted all the cupboard doors. He wanted the toilet. He took all the cupboard doors. And he took the hood vent. The cushions. And he wanted this window. It was a translucent kind of window, one you couldn't see through. He thought would make a good bathroom window. And yeah, in the process we found some more junk that was left over from the other guy that I got it from. So that gives me a little bit of a head start. Like I say, this thing, it was pretty well rotted. And yeah, so there's no shame in destroying this and making it something useful again. Oh, right, he also took the furnace. We had to do a little bit of destruction here to get at certain things. And that's about it. So the next time you see me working on this, I'll be removing the fridge, the stove, knocking down these inside walls, and start taking off this aluminum.